Hello dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. I'm going to call you Saggy because Sagittarius is too long. Okay, so yeah, so please keep in mind the energies can be reversed anytime, and as this is general reading, it might or might not resonate with your situation. Okay, so now let's start with these cards, the Easy Tarot. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Sagittarius. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, King of Pentacles. I feel like right now your partner is busy making money. Busy making themselves stable financially as well, emotionally as well, and physically as well. So right now your partner is focusing everything on themselves. They are focusing their energy on themselves, their self-healing, self-care, self-love, their business, their work, their finances. Okay, they are trying to be really practical and they are trying to really save for a rainy day. This is the situation here. Let's clarify. Let's see. So these three cards literally jumped down. Okay, so I feel like Sagittarius, your partner felt like they were really happy with you in the past, but there was something that they were juggling. Might be there was something that was really confusing. Might be this person was juggling between two people at the same time, and that left them empty, that left them heartbroken, completely shattered. They were really confused about someone. Might be they were really confused about you and somebody else, and that somebody else broke their heart, and they were deeply sad and sad and deeply depressed and shattered. And that's why this person is trying to heal from that, trauma, from that heartbreak, and right now they are trying to focus their energy on themselves, on their self healing. Okay, okay, cool. Sajis, let's see what's your current energy. I'm having cold. I'm really sorry. I can't help it. But to sound like an idiot might be a robot. Okay, your current energy right now is the Three of Cups. I feel like Sagittarius, you are trying to celebrate something in your life. Might be you're not happy at all, but you are trying to make people think that you are really happy. You are celebrating something in your life. There's celebration. There's some kind of engagement. There's some kind of a birthday party. But there's something that you are celebrating. Might be there's a third party situation here. I will clarify it because without clarifying, I can't say anything. Let's clarify the Three of Cups energy in your current energy. Let's clarify the Three of Cups. It's basically the card of reconciliation as well. So might be you are trying to reconcile with somebody. Okay, you could be dealing with with a Taurus. So it is like you are right now attending some kind of religious ceremony. You are concealing your emotions. You are trying to hide your emotions with somebody, and because you are trying to hide these emotions, you are trying to conceal your feelings because you are feeling like this relationship is no longer existing in your life. You are so done with this person. That's why. Okay, that's why right now you are feeling like I should tap into my spiritual energy. You are celebrating some kind of spiritual energy, some kind of spiritual union, might be, you can say, not your marriage but some kind of marriage or some kind of where I feel like you are going to I'm not getting the exact word here, Sagittarius, but I feel like you're going to attend some kind of religious ceremony. This is the exact word. Now I'm getting it. And you're trying to hide your emotions behind your happy face, that you are coming out of a very bad phase, coming out of a very bad breakup right now, coming out of a very saddening, heartbreaking thing right now. This is the thing. I can understand, Sajis. Okay. Let's see what this person feels for you. Their feelings for you. Let's see. Ace of Swords. I feel like this person is ready to have a brand new beginning in this connection. This person is ready to start this connection all over again after after cutting down all the negativity, all the toxicity, all the conflicts of the past. This person is feeling like they should give this connection another chance, and they feel like they should come back towards you and start this connection all over again. Although this is not, from by heart I don't feel like this person is feeling this from heart. They are playing it cool with their mind, you can say. By their mind they are feeling like that. So they are using their mind instead of their heart in their feelings. This is the situation. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords. Page of Pentacles and the Lovers could be dealing with a Gemini and the Six of Swords in reverse. So I feel like this person wants to, send you a message, send you a friendship offer, because this person still feels so much connected to you, and they're not able to, they're not able to, calm down or relax because they're restless. They are deeply restless, and they are feeling like they should text you because they are still so much connected with you, still feeling lots of emotions for you, and they are still feeling like they are restless, and they are not able to make any kind of peaceful resolution in their life. That's why this person is feeling like they should start this connection all over again, and they should be victorious. You both should be victorious in doing that. This is what they are feeling, Sajis. Let's see what this person wants from you. Fool. Again, this person wants a brand new start in this connection with you. This is the Fool energy. I feel like this is Aquarius energy as well, because lots of air is present here. But I feel like this person feels like this person wants a brand new beginning with you. They don't want to, think about the past. They don't want to think about the future. They just want to live in the present with you. They just want to enjoy the present moment with you. This is what they want from you, to start this connection all over again, but without thinking about the future. Okay. Clarify strength. Two of Cups. Queen of Pentacles. Strength is card of Leo. Could be dealing with a Leo. So what this person wants from you, so this person wants from you is to come out of this situation where you are completely cut off from them. Might be you are completely silent with them right now. So you are acting courageous, and you are very very silent. You are silent as fuck with them, and they want you to come out of this silent zone and feel the connection with them. They feel like you should feel that there is connection between you and them, there is love between you and them, and they want you to heal from this situation. Okay, they want you to heal from the past, and they want you to come out in the universe again, to come out in the game again with them and start this connection all over again, but without the energy of commitment or without thinking about the future of this connection. This is the thing. Let's see what is coming towards you till 21st of July, or what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Saji. Magician. So I feel like this person either is manipulating you or playing mind games with you, or they are manifesting you back in their life. But I'm getting that this person is manifesting you back in their life. They are not playing any kind of mind games as of now, but yes, this person is trying to manifest you back, and they are using beautiful techniques of law of attraction, and they are using meditation techniques. They are using some kind of positive energies to attract you towards them, to attract this connection again in their life. Okay, because they still feel like there's lots of possibilities of having a good future with you in the future. This is the thing. They feel like there should be a brand new start in this connection. Sun, very happy energy. King of Wands, the Devil, reverse. So what they are manifesting happiness. They are manifesting reconciliation. They are manifesting happiness with you. They are manifesting that you should come out of this zone where you are feeling like there's lack of passion in this connection. There's no hope for this connection. They feel like you should come out of this zone, and they feel like you should come out of the negative thoughts and toxicity that you are making in your head regarding this particular connection. So all they're manifesting right now is that they want happiness in their life, and by the word happiness, I feel like this person wants kiddish energy with you, childish energy with you. This is what they are manifesting in this connection. They are manifesting back. They are manifesting you back in their life, but with beautiful energy of kids and of children, not of mature, not of mature person, or not of maturity. All they are manifesting is brand new start with lots of love, with lots of carefree attitude. Okay, and they feel like you should come out of this zone where you are feeling lack of communication or lack of enthusiasm or passion, and they feel like you should come out of this toxicity and negativity and start this connection all over again with them. So Sagittarius, this whole reading is telling me again and again that they want a brand new start with you. That's for sure. But this is non-committal energy. I don't feel like they're committing, or they are going to make you commit or something like that. They just want to go with the flow with you. This is the situation here. So thank you so much, Sagittarius, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste, and see you soon in the next reading. Bye bye. Good night.